Hey y'all, it's time to restore these old stools.
I found these wooden stools at a local yard sale and I had to get them right away. They just needed a quick sanding and some new stain. In order to get the legs separated from the seat, I had to use a pry bar and a screwdriver to get them out. It took longer than expected. After a while, I was finally able to get them separated and started sanding away. For the stain, I decided to use an Ipswich pine finish with an espresso to create a great contrast.
With both stains now dry, I'm gonna add some wood glue and then let it cure overnight, so I'll see you in the morning.
So here's the before and the after. What do you think?